Nairobi's favorite green smoothie. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and make the smoothie, put it on film. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's avocado. Put a lot of small avocados in there because I'm making enough for a lot of people. So you will see the process. Bananas. If you don't like bananas, try something different. I had about 4 bananas and about 6 small avocados to start off with. Cutting up an apple, and you're not seeing me cut it, but I'm cutting off the top, cutting off the bottom, and then I'm skinning it. Take the skin off. And then I'll cut it. I've decided to add 2 apples, and we chose Honeycrisp for this recipe, but Gala works really well because it has a nice sweet flavor. Any apple will work. I'm going to do 2 pears. I'm going to do the same thing. Now we're going to add in some moringa powder, and I only put in about a teaspoon. Then we add in spirulina. We add in another teaspoon. And then we are going to add in chlorella, and we're only going to add in about maybe a little less than a teaspoon. And with these 3 together, it helps to detox the body, remove inflammatory issues, and it's always good to add cilantro in with this combination. I was out of cilantro. The cilantro will flush out any toxins from the body that these 3 products will hold into the body. It draws out the toxins, and then the cilantro flushes it out. But we didn't have cilantro this go around, so we're going to add in orange juice. We filled into about 4 cups worth of orange juice, and then later on I did add in just a little bit more because the combination of the avocado and the bananas that I added in this round is a little bit more than I normally put in, which made it a lot thicker, so I needed more orange juice to kind of thin it out. If you like the thickness, then keep it. Otherwise, if you want to thin it out, add more orange juice as you see fit. So now we're adding in some kale, and we just slice it up real thin, small pieces, and then just add it into our mixture and blend it well. Now here's where you add in your sweetener. I added in honey. I love honey. And I put in a very generous amount of honey there. And my family really likes the cold taste, so we had some frozen mango chunks in the freezer. You can put in ice if you don't want to put in frozen fruit to make it colder. Either way is fine. And this is where I added a little bit more sweetener and a little bit more orange juice to kind of thin it out a little bit more and sweeten it up just to my taste. And voila,